Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make eggless and sugarless wheat chocolate muffins. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So first, add jaggery powder and water in a bowl and mix it. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. Until then, we will prepare our baking tray. Grease the tray with oil and then grease the molds as well. After 15 minutes, filter the jaggery water through a sieve into a big bowl. Now we add oil and vanilla essence. You can also add chocolate essence if you want. Now mix it using a whisk. Then we put a large sieve on the bowl and add wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda and cocoa powder. Mix it and sieve it like this. Now we mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. If this is too thick, then you can add lukewarm milk. If you want, you can also add coffee in the milk. Add little milk at a time and mix. If required, you can add more milk later till you get the perfect consistency. Add lemon juice and mix it by using the cut and fold method like this. The consistency should be like this. Now pour the batter into the molds that we prepared and put it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. After baking, take it out and pierce with a knife. It is cooked if the knife comes out clean, and if it is not clean, then put the muffins back in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. Serve it hot with vanilla ice cream or just have it as it is. Voila! Your eggless, sugarless, wheat chocolate muffins are ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such quick and delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.